Here's the truth. There's a massive difference between being a successful clinician and the owner of a successful private practice. So if you're in private practice, you need to stop thinking just like a clinician and start acting like a business owner. Let me break this down for you. A clinician thinks about the patient in front of them, getting through the list, making sure they've done everything they can so it goes smoothly and the patient gets the outcome that they need. And that's perfectly reasonable. It's exactly what we want and everything that you were trained for. But a business owner thinks, how can I structure my private practice so it runs like a well-oiled machine? How can I enable my working week to give me more time and freedom? And ultimately, how can I bring more income and wealth into the practice? Some clinicians fall into the penny pinching trap. They think, I want to save money as much as possible. I'm going to find the cheapest secretary. I'm going to do my admin myself. And that way I'll keep all the money that's coming in. The trouble with this is it's a poor way to grow a business. Business owners, on the other hand, invest wisely. They get great people. They pay for good systems and processes, really good software. They hire an excellent business coach because they know it's going to reward them tenfold over. When you're starting out in private practice and income is an issue, you may be tempted to think, I'm just going to put together that website myself and it'll do. People will find me online. And it's what I call a false economy, because ultimately, if you're not setting up your marketing machine correctly, it's going to take a very long time for people to find you. And every day you're not getting patients into clinic, you're losing income. Time you spend doing your own admin, fiddling with the tech, is time that you should be using either to see more patients or to do the one thing that other people can't do for you, which is show up in the marketing of your business. Business owners don't see expenses, they see investments. That's the difference. Many of the clinicians I meet are worried about visibility. They think, what will my peers think if I put a blog or a vlog up and they think it's a bit rubbish? Those patients will find me anyway. That's a very poor way to market a business. Business owner knows that to be found, you need to be seen. The scarcity mindset holds many clinicians back from growing a successful private practice. They think, I'm just not seeing enough patients. There aren't enough patients to go around. When in fact, actually, there are plenty of patients out there on Perplexity in Google searching for answers for their problems. Problem is that they've not found you yet. Many clinicians are held back by the employee mentality. The NHS trains you to be an employee. Follow the rules. Don't rock the boat. Wait for permission. When you have your own business, you don't need anyone's permission. So go out there, be bold, make decisions, and be the leader your business needs it to be. Clinicians focus on this week's list and whether next month looks busy. Business owners look ahead, they plan ahead. What marketing activities are we going to do? And they build with activities that compounds over time into a fantastic private practice. Maybe you're undervaluing your time. Many clinicians think, just do it myself. So they battle for 3 hours to fix that IT problem that could have cost them just £100 to get someone else to sort. And it makes me laugh and cry at the same moment. If your billable hour is £500 or more, what on earth are you doing trying to sort it out yourself? Chances are you're just going to do a bad job anyway. Your time is your most valuable asset. Protect it. Outsource everything else that isn't in your core expertise. Are you the lone wolf clinician who tries to do it all on their own? That's the most exhausting route to burnout. Business owners leverage business coaching, they leverage teams, and they leverage networks. It's the fastest way to get there to a profitable private practice. The brutal truth is, private practice isn't a hobby. It isn't an NHS side gig. It's a business, and you need to learn the skills of a business person and act like a business owner. So stop penny pinching, stop hiding, stop waiting for permission. You've already got the clinical skills. Now it's time to get the business mindset. So be an amazing clinician, but also be an amazing business owner and watch your private practice develop into one that gives you the wealth, lifestyle, and freedom that you've been working your arse off for all these years.